face the consequences.
Please forgive me, Father. I'm sorry.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI dialogue movies completely free. No credit card, no paid tools, and you don't even need to use Grok. Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'll show you the best free AI tool that can replace Grok and help you create talking AI characters and dialogue scenes in minutes. Let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is generate the images for our dialogue scene. For this step, we'll use ChatGPT to create our characters. Here's a quick tip. When generating images, simply describe the scene you want. For example, you could say, generate an image of a king and a princess standing together. The king looks angry and is scolding the princess for breaking a rule. Once you send the prompt, ChatGPT will generate the image for you. If you're not happy with the result, simply edit your prompt. You can remove things you don't like, add new details, change the characters, adjust the scene, keep tweaking the prompt until you get the perfect image. Before moving to the next step, here is a very important tip. Make sure your characters are facing the camera. This is extremely important because it helps the AI create better lip-sync dialogue videos. If the characters are facing sideways or looking away, the talking animation might not look realistic. So always generate images where the characters are clearly facing the camera. Now comes the exciting part. We are going to turn our image into a talking dialogue video. For this step, we'll use Qwen AI. Open your browser and search for Qwen AI. Once you open the website, sign in using your Google account. The platform offers free credits, which means you can generate several videos without paying. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look for the option called Video Generation. Click on it. Wait for the page to load and you'll see the video creation interface. Now click on the plus icon. Next, click the photo icon. Here you can upload the image you created earlier. Import your AI image into the platform. Once the image is uploaded, the AI will be ready to animate the characters and make them talk. Now we need to tell the AI what the characters should say. For this, I generated a dialogue prompt using ChatGPT. For example, the king could say, "You have broken the rules of this land and you must face the consequences." And the princess could reply, "Please forgive me, Father, I am sorry." Simply copy your dialogue prompt and paste it into the description box. Then click Generate. Now the AI will start generating your dialogue video. One thing I love about Qwen AI is that it generates videos very quickly. In just a few moments, your talking dialogue scene will be ready. You can preview the video and see your characters talking with lip sync animation. Once the video is ready, simply click the download button. Your dialogue video will be saved to your device. You can now use it for YouTube videos, storytelling channels, faceless content, social media content, or business projects. And that's it. You now know how to create AI dialogue movies for free using Qwen AI. You can create scenes with 2 characters, 3 characters, or even more. Start creating your own AI stories, dialogue videos, or movie scenes today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. In my next video, I'll show you how to create an AI avatar that can talk, move, and even look like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.